Alrighty, so in my family room, we have a 42-inch design house neon ceiling fan. So this is the only fan in our house that has 3 pole chains and the motor with the light on it. So, alright, let's go ahead and give this fan a demonstration. First, we're gonna test the light. As you can see, all 4 of the bulbs are working, and including the top light is working. Alrighty, now let's turn the fan on. On low. Here it is on low. Now let's bring this up to medium. Alright, let's turn this on high now. Let's turn this on high speed. It's pretty noisy right here. And it's blowing a lot of air too. Alright, let's turn this off now. Give you guys a spin down to this fan. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.